Did you know over 2.1 million entrepreneurs launched Shopify stores last year, and most of them started with dropshipping? Why? Because it's lean, scalable, and doesn't need upfront inventory. But here's the hard truth. Most fail within 90 days due to avoidable mistakes. If you've ever felt the thrill of building your own online business, followed by frustration from confusing supplier setups or ad campaigns that don't convert, you're not alone. This guide is your step-by-step roadmap to launching a profitable Shopify dropshipping store in 2025. Whether you're starting with zero capital or ready to scale fast, we'll walk you through it all. Welcome to Step 1, Choosing Your Niche. Think of this as the solid foundation for your entire dropshipping empire. Getting this right from the start is crucial for long-term success. In today's crowded e-commerce landscape, trying to sell everything to everyone is a recipe for failure. A well-defined niche is your secret weapon. It allows you to cut through the noise and connect with a specific audience. This focus isn't just about standing out. It translates to more effective marketing, lower ad costs, and higher conversion rates because you're speaking your customer's language. But remember, a niche is so much more than just a product category. It's a group of people united by a shared passion, a common problem, or a specific lifestyle. It's a community. When you build a brand around a niche, you're not just selling items, you're fostering a sense of belonging. This is what turns one-time buyers into loyal, repeat customers. So what does a good niche look like? Let's look at some examples. Instead of just pet supplies, you could focus on biodegradable toys for eco-conscious dog owners. Instead of tech gadgets, consider ergonomic accessories for remote workers. Other powerful niches could be vegan leather bags for ethical fashionistas or smart gardening tools for urban apartment dwellers. The key is specificity. Once you have your niche, it's time to find winning products. Start with data. Use tools like Sell the Trend to analyze market demand and competition. Look for products with an upward trend but that aren't saturated. Next, focus on value. The best products either solve a nagging problem or create an emotional connection. Finally, before you go all in, validate your idea. Run small, low-budget test ads. You're not trying to make a profit yet, you're just measuring interest through clicks and add to carts. This data-driven approach minimizes risk and confirms you found a winner before you scale. Once your niche is ready, it's time to build your digital storefront. Shopify makes it simple, but missing key steps can cost you conversions. And don't skip your checkout test. A broken checkout kills conversions instantly. Now, let's talk branding and user experience. Your design isn't decoration, it's persuasion. Your Shopify store is your brand's first handshake. Make it unforgettable. Your suppliers are your backbone. A poor supplier means delays, refunds, and bad reviews. Here are trusted platforms in 2025. CJ Dropshipping, Fast Shipping, and TikTok integration. Zendrop, US fulfillment. Plus branded packaging. Spocket, EU and US-based suppliers for quick delivery. Dropcommerce, premium North American partners. AliExpress still works, but vet carefully. Vetting checklist. Order samples before listing products. Test shipping speeds. Assess communication quality, verify refund policies, look for branding options. A great supplier isn't just a vendor, they're a growth partner. Now it's time to make your products sell themselves. Write persuasive descriptions that focus on benefits, not features. Example, made of stainless steel. Built to last with rust-resistant stainless steel for everyday use. Use psychological pricing. $29.99 converts better than $30. Add multiple product angles and lifestyle photos for context. And don't forget SEO. You're a free traffic engine. Add keywords naturally in titles. Write click-worthy meta descriptions. Use clean URLs and image alt text. Compress images for speed. Optimize listings. Your visibility plus conversions. With your store built and products ready, you've completed half the journey, but a great store needs visitors. Now, we pivot to marketing. The goal isn't just traffic, but qualified traffic that converts into customers. Let's get those first sales. We'll start with the heavyweight champion, Facebook ads. Its massive user base and powerful targeting make it the perfect place to find your first customers. For most new stores, this platform offers the fastest path to profitability, making it the king of conversions. First, install the Facebook Pixel. This lets you retarget warm leads, like people who abandoned their cart. Next, use lookalike audiences. Facebook analyzes your best customers to find millions of new people just like them. For creatives, short-form video is essential. Think authentic, user-generated style content. And crucially, always optimize your campaigns for conversions. You want sales, not just clicks, so tell the algorithm your goal. Beyond Facebook, diversify your reach. Use TikTok and Reels to show products in action with fun, trending content. Build your email list. It's a channel you own. Set up welcome flows and abandoned cart reminders to recover sales. Capture high-intent buyers with Google Shopping. They're actively searching for your products. For long-term free traffic, create evergreen content on Pinterest and YouTube. These visual platforms can become powerful, passive customer acquisition engines. Finally, turn more visitors into buyers with on-site conversion boosters. Speed equals trust. Every second of delay hurts sales. Use scarcity and urgency, like only 3 left, or a sale countdown timer. Increase your average order value with one-click upsells at checkout, and offer live chat support to answer last-minute questions that could block a sale. These small tweaks have a huge impact on your bottom line. When orders start rolling in, fulfillment becomes your heartbeat. Automate with tools like AutoDS or DSers. Integrate real-time shipping updates, DHL, USPS. Track order accuracy and speed. Keep customers informed with automated emails. For returns and support, offer a clear, easy return policy. Use apps like Loop Returns or AfterShip. Provide fast, empathetic support. Turn returns into exchanges or credits when possible. Every happy customer bought free marketing. Think you need a big budget? Not anymore. In 2025, you can start Shopify Dropshipping for free. Use Shopify's free trial. Build your store with AI tools like Build Your Store AI. List products from CJ Dropshipping or Zendrop. You only pay after a sale. Drive traffic using TikTok and Instagram Reels organically. Use free tools like Canva, MailChimp, and Buffer. No budget, no problem. Only creativity and hustle required. So, here we are. You've journeyed through the entire process, and the path to launching your own Shopify dropshipping business in 2025 is clearer than ever. This isn't just about creating another online store or a simple side hustle. This is your potential gateway to a new kind of life, one with financial freedom, location independence, and the power to be your own boss. You've just absorbed the foundational pillars of e-commerce success. We didn't just skim the surface. We went deep. You learned how to find a profitable niche, moving beyond just your passions to identify what a hungry market truly wants and needs. You discovered the art and science of building a Shopify store that doesn't just look good, but actively converts visitors into customers by building trust and creating a seamless user experience. We demystified the world of suppliers, showing you how to source and vet trusted partners who will be the backbone of your operation, ensuring your customers are happy and your brand reputation stays pristine. And finally, you learned how to market smart and scale fast, using targeted strategies to reach your ideal audience and turn your initial investment into a thriving, scalable business. Now, the spotlight turns to you. All this knowledge is potential energy, waiting to be unleashed. It's your turn to take these blueprints and start building. Launch that store, even if it's not perfect. Test your first batch of products And don't fear the ones that don't sell. Every failure is just a data point, a lesson that sharpens your instincts and gets you one step closer to a runaway winner. The key is to learn, adapt, and keep moving forward. The world of e-commerce is dynamic, and your ability to evolve is your greatest asset. Remember, the only thing standing between you and the success you envision is taking that first step. However, let's be realistic. The path we've laid out is comprehensive, and it demands a significant investment of time, energy, and focus. Perhaps you're juggling a demanding full-time job, have family commitments, or maybe the technical side of setting up ad campaigns and optimizing conversion rates feels a bit overwhelming. If that's the case, it's crucial to know you have options. You can delegate the heavy lifting to professional Shopify freelance dropshipping experts. Now, this isn't about giving up or admitting defeat. It's a strategic business decision. Think of it as hiring a specialist accountant or a marketing director. You're leveraging proven expertise to accelerate your path to profitability and avoid the costly, time-consuming mistakes that many beginners make. These pros can help you set up your store correctly from the very beginning, ensuring a flawless foundation. Drive highly targeted traffic that's actually interested in your products. And ultimately boost your sales and your bottom line. But with so many freelancers out there, how do you identify the true experts? How do you avoid those who might overpromise and underdeliver? Don't worry, I've done the exhaustive research for you. I've compiled a highly curated list of the top 5 most accomplished Shopify dropshipping specialists to consider in 2025. To make this list, each expert had to meet strict criteria. They bring proven track records with case studies demonstrating measurable growth for their clients. Strong, diverse portfolios that showcase a deep understanding of e-commerce strategy, not just web design. And a long history of satisfied clients, backed by glowing testimonials and a reputation for professionalism and clear communication. In effect, they can become your strategic partner, assisting you with every stage of the process we've covered. Complete store setup and customization, strategic product listing and seamless inventory management, cohesive theme design and powerful branding, advanced conversion rate optimization, and so much more. This curated list is your shortcut to finding a reliable partner. To get started, just check the description section below this video. You'll find a direct access link to these trusted Shopify dropshipping experts, where you can review their work and find the perfect fit for your vision. Thank you for watching. If you find this video on dropshipping useful, that is just the beginning of your journey with us in the niche. So, make sure you subscribe to be notified when we release more amazing videos to enable you be updated in your dropshipping business.